Hey guys, Orpheus here. So there are a few things to clarify. The ARG isn't over. The current point at this making of the video is like 93-94% and the prediction is 3 PM UTC GMT. How did we come to this conclusion? There are three things to consider. It is not progress based. Firstly, if there is a big video coming out, like in this case from PubSco with 8,000 views or something, or a Reddit post like this goes viral with 1,800 likes, which is a lot on this scale, we should see some spikes in the completion data of the progress compiling chart and the percentage, but it doesn't show up. Especially if the US goes to bed and Europe wakes up and something like that. You can even see this in the fluctuating player numbers on Steam, which are between 30 and 60,000. You should see some fluctuation, but there isn't. So it's not progress based. Also, it wouldn't gradually decline in a clean curve until a specific time frame is reached. It wouldn't make any sense for it to end when DE offices are closed. They have like 3 AM right now or something. It should pick up in speed the more people join the ARG, but it doesn't. The bumps in the curve on here, on this graph, are not from the website itself, but from the first documentation of whoever saw the progress change first, not from the website itself. So third, people are still debating over the right way to even progress this thing. You can just use the promotional code and get the promo poster if you like to. You don't need to do anything. You just need the promo code. And you don't have to do any stuff on the website. 90% of the explanations I saw that were trying to explain what to do on the website left out the part where you actually have to have an account, be logged into it, go to the mall, hang up the phone. I don't know where it is, but it doesn't matter. You know where it is. Otherwise, you can find it. Otherwise, it's spoiler, but let me guess, it's spoiler either way. And you actually have to have an account to log into the game, and the game even tracks if you have the phone locked, hung up, whatever. Yeah. And then only it unlocks the rest of the page. So you need to... It wouldn't make any sense to be a real marketing thing from DE, like, we're trying to spread the signal to social media to get new players to find the ARG and then play the game, because then it wouldn't make any sense. What's easier for getting new players involved? Click promo code, download game, enjoy free stuff? Or is it learn about the ARG from social media, spread the signal, open a website you've never seen before, download a game, go to a mall you haven't seen before, hang up a phone, find the correct solution on a forum, Discord or Google Doc or whatever, type in random letters, realize it's a promo code for a game, and then drop it. It doesn't make any sense. I can understand the argument that it's just to get people already involved that are already playing, but then it would be our obligation to get your favorite streamers and influencers more involved. We all should be able to get this awesome stuff as long as it's there. In the 2018 Fortuna ARG, there was also such a progress-based, I don't know what to call it. It's community involving spread the signal sequence, and after that the ARG really kicked off to get the solution. So I don't know where it is. It was like you had to go into real life, and you had to find real life billboards in San Francisco and New York City and stuff, and get the letters, the corpus letters on the bottom of those to get the real solution to somewhat. So the ARG isn't over it. It starts right now. So free promo code would generate way more traffic faster than this complicated ARG stuff with hanging up the phone in the mall. And even if it was progress based, like somewhat, I don't know, 99%, then it would stop at 99% and wait for DE employees to get back to the office to be ready for what comes next. So yeah, spreading the signal is the key. Getting more people involved in the ARG is good, but the ARG doesn't end here. It begins. We end as we began. So on a side note, we don't even have all the clues already solved yet. There is still ever feeling you overlooked something. Maybe the key is staring you right in the face. Yeah, we know the log is about the Caesar cipher. If you want, you can read the ARG. But then Drippy, official Drippy account, joined the Warframe forums, the Warframe Discord and Agrakata, and gave us a hint like 6 hours, 8 hours after we found this sequence. So it's not solved yet. We still need your help. We still need you to get involved. And only because you're not good at puzzle solving, that doesn't matter. You can still spread the message, you can organize, you can stop misinformation, you can do a lot of stuff to get more people interested in Warframe, get more people interested in the ARG. You can still get more stuff. Currently, at time of making this video, we're trying to get new clues going about the key. We're working on it. So yeah. Get involved, join us on any Discord, join your favorite streamer, tell them about it. I know it's a big thing and I know it's intimidating to not be able to jump right in and find all the correct solutions. Some of them took like 20 people and 3 hours to solve. But yeah, if you're interested in reading about that, we got the Google Doc pinned in the, I don't know how to call it, in the video description. And you can read all about that. We're currently working hard on getting the speedrun guide up to, spoiler obviously, getting the speedrun guide up to speed and be very, very thorough. Because even if people are trying to follow those steps, they sometimes skip a step or it's not as clear. There are like 10 people working on it day and night. It's 11 a.m. here and some of them are just going to bed and waiting for the clue to drop. So we're working on it. Feel free to leave feedback. We're trying to get everyone credited. We're working on a Pillars of Community, which is everyone who was involved. There are people organizing photo shoots, not only for people who were like solving the clues or anything, for people who were keeping people on track, who were spreading the message, like everyone. Everything you did should be credit worthy. So feel free to reach out and let the people know that you did something, and feel free to let us know if there's anything wrong or incomplete in the Google document. It's a long read, I know, and we will do a big YouTube video for that as soon as it's ready. But every day new clues drop, and before we can even do a video, and before I do an incomplete video, I'd rather stay true to the facts and try to explain it as thorough as possible when it's time. So yeah, don't be late. Spread the signal. We are basically the virus. I can't explain it differently. We all want Warframe to prosper and thrive. Enjoy the Drippy Glyph, enjoy the free poster, and spread the signal. Have a nice one. See you around, and don't forget to follow.